Alright, what's up guys? Winning day today. Let's go. Um so this is gonna be a quick trade recap. Honestly, really textbook move today. Um there is nothing much on like these higher time frames like the 1 hour or 4 hour to really look at today. Except for this big 4 hour gap from when we had that like war news at 7 a.m. and it pumped up the market like 800 points. I took shorts today. The high time frame gap of the day today was this 30-minute bearish fair value gap right here. It was also a BPR range connecting with this bullish fair value gap. Yeah, and then we also had a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. All right, that was a little zesty. So let's get into this. So right off market open, you can see right here that we have these pre-market equal highs right here. This gets swept during the 9:30 swing move, so we manipulate up, and we have true manipulation. So what true manipulation means is that both of the indexes actually ended up tapping this 30-minute gap. If I can like find it, it's all the way over here. I'm blind. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Okay, sorry guys. So this 30-minute gap right here ended up getting tapped on ES and NASDAQ, but we created SMT with the 15-minute gap right here. So yeah, there was a bearish SMT right here, boom, and then boom, like this. I just didn't have it marked out. I didn't really care about that much. But yeah, so the 30-minute gap was what I was mainly looking at. And then if we head under the 1 minute here, I can't really head under the 30-second. I can only see the 30-second on the actual Tradevate chart. But inside here we had a 30-second inversion. And then on the 5 minute, we have a change in steady delivery to the downside here. So I'm looking for shorts. And so that being said, after we tap our high time frame gap, liquidity sweep, change the state delivery on the 5 minute, and we break below this low right here, we close below it, and we end up respecting this 5 minute, so we're respecting bearish and disrespecting bullish. But here we flip and we actually end up disrespecting this gap at one point, but that's alright because I needed that to come up and actually hit my levels. So we end up creating SMT right here at this high and this high, and we end up holding this high, so we don't change state delivery on the 5 minute at all. We end up holding this is exactly what I want to see, because this is now a high resistance high, because it's inside of this fair value gap right here, and it creates an SMT and nothing broke above it. So so it should be high resistance liquidity now. That price is going to be difficult for it to take out, and as you can see, we chopped a whole bunch until we got up to it. We didn't just run right through it. And then we had this unfilled 5 minute bullish fair value gap right here that I wanted to see get hit, because we had such a big strong move up into my levels. I just wanted to target this unfilled 5 minute, because after that I knew we were going to continue going up. It was bound to happen after we wanted to retrace this level. And the reason for this level today is because if we actually mark out the swing high to the swing low, you can see it marks out with a 0.79 range of the leg, and that lines up almost perfectly with the midnight open. So yeah, I had my thing at midnight open, not 7-9, but it's fine. We end up tapping the 7-9, but it's whatever. I had an 18-point stop, 1 to 4 RR, targeting the unfilled 5 minute, break even at this low right here. You can see why on the 1 minute. That was like the closest low I could go break even at. So yeah, but great day today. Targeting unfilled fair value gaps are one of the best draws on liquidity that you can have in the game. I love to see it. Yeah, more videos like this every day coming out. If you want to join the Discord, click the link down below. If you want to get one-on-one mentored by me, there should be also a link down below for that. And 15% off all Alpha Futures accounts down below. Let's get it. Let's get this bag. Let's keep working hard every day, boys. Let's do this. I'll see you guys in the next one.